Good morning, students. See, we have started our new chapter, decimals, chapter number 3, and in that exercise we have completed our 2 questions. Find the products of the following first and find the products of the following second. Now today we have to, I hope you have completed these remaining questions. So today we have to start our third question. Find the quotient of the following. See, I will explain you how to solve these questions. Find the quotients of the following. See, question number 1, A. See, what is given here question? 364.19 divided by 10. Now see how to write this. 364.19 divided by 10. So whenever the number is divisible by 10, 100, 1000, so you have to see how many digits, how many units digit is there. 0, 1. So if there is 1 0, you have to remove this point to 1 place. If there is 2 0, you have to remove this point to 2 place. Okay. Now see, its answer is 36.419. Okay. See question number B. Your question is 7.18 divided by 10. Means 7.18 divided by 10. It means point will come here. Therefore, 0.718 is your answer. Okay. Now see what is given here. Question number C. 0.017 divided by 10. Now see 0.017 divided by 10. Again 10 divisible is, it is divisible by 10. So move your point to before one place. 0.0017 is your answer. D. 479.23 divided by 100 means 479.23 divided by 100. Now see here 2 digits, 2 0 are there in 100. So remove before, move your point before 2 digits. So 4.793 is your answer. See 100, E is also 101, you can solve it. Now see F, question number F. 1.673 divided by 1000. 1, 2, 3. Now see 1.673 divided by 1, 2, 3. It means move your point to before 2 digits. 0.001673. Now see H is also similar. You can do it. G, H you can do. I, see now I. 10.101 divided by 1000. See 10.101 divided by 1000 means 0.0100 10101. Okay. Now see J, question number J, see it. 108.5 divided by 50. Now see 108.5. Now it is 50 here. Don't see 0 because 10 or 100, 1000 it is not there. It is 50 here. Now see, first of all remove your point. When you have to remove this point, you have to multiply it by 10. And when you multiply your numerator by 10, you have to multiply it to denominator also by 10. So what it becomes? 1085 upon 500. Okay. Now divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5, 0, 0, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 3 5 7s are 35. So it's now see 217 divided by 100. Now see what is the answer you get here. 2.17 is your answer. Now see question number K. 188.4 divided by 60. Now see it carefully. 188.4 divided by 60. Now here also you have to remove point. So after how many digits point is there? After point how many digit is there? Only one. So you have to multiply by 10. If 2 digit is there, you have to multiply by 100. So when you multiply numerator by 10 for removing this point, so you have to multiply by denominator also. 10 is equal to 188.4 on 600. Now divide it by 6. 6 1s are 6, 0, 0. 6 3s are 18. 6 1s are 6. 6 4s are 24. So 314 divided by 100 means you can divide it now. 2 digits are there, so put point before 2 digits. 3.14 is your answer. See a question number L you can solve by yourself, M also you can solve, N also you can solve, and O also you can solve. Now see, we will start with question number 4. All questions are similar, so you have to solve it by yourself. See. Find the quotient of the following. Similar questions are there. See question number A. 5.7 divided by 3. Now see 5.7 divided by 3. Now when you have to remove point, you have to multiply by 10. So multiply denominator also by 10. Here you will get 57 by 30. Now divide it by 3. 10, 3 1s are 3, 9. Now its answer is 1.9. See B. 10.08 divided by 9. 10.08 by 9. Now see here point is before 2 digits. So you have to multiply here by 100, not by 10. Here 100. 1.08 by 900. Now see divide it by 9. 9 1s are 9, 0 0, 9 1s are 9, remaining 1, 9 1s are 9, remaining 1, 9 2s are 18. 112 by 100 means before 2 digit you have to put point. 1.12 is your answer. Understood? See question number D. 1.56 divided by 1.3. 1.56 divided by 1.3 into 10 into 100. See here you have to multiply by 100 and you have to multiply by 10, but you have multiplied here by 100. So here also you have to multiply by 100. 156 by 130. Now divide it by 13. 13 ones are 13, 0. 13 ones are 13, remaining 2, 13 twos are 26. It is 112 divided by 10 is equal to 1.2. Now see how to solve it. 6752 divided by 5275. Now see here you have to remove the point, so divide by 1000. Here also 1000. So you will get here 6752 divided by 5275. Now you have to divide it. Now see we have to divide this. 5275 divided by 6752. So 1 time 5, 2, 7, 5, 12 minus 5, 7, 4 minus 7 is 14 minus 7, it is 7. Now see 6 minus 2, 4, and here 6 minus 5, 1. Now see, it is not coming in this table, so put here point and 0. Now multiply 5, 2, 7, 5 by 2, 5 2s are 10, 1, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15, 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 5 2s are 10, 1, 0, 5, 5, 0, 0, 7 minus 5 it is 2, 7 minus 5 it is 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 0. Now see, multiply it, 5, 2, 7, 5, multiply by 8, 8 5s are 40, remainder 4, add 7s are 56, 56 plus 4, 60, remainder 6, add 2s are 16, 16 plus 6, 22, remainder 2, add 5s are 40, 40 plus 2, 42. See now, 4, 2, 2, 0, and here you get the remainder 0, 2, 8. Now see, your answer is 1.28. See, whenever you get this type of divide, just do it very carefully, that what is you have to divide here, what is the answer you are getting here. Okay, it will take your little bit time, but you have to solve it very carefully to get the correct answer. Okay, thank you. Now complete your all the questions which are remaining in this exercise, and tomorrow we will start our next exercise. Okay, thank you.